Today I'm going to show you the MeZone Power Bank. It's a 10,000 mAh portable fast charger. These come in pink and white and have an LCD digital screen. They feature 2 USB ports for charging your cell phone, tablet, or other devices. What's great about these portable chargers is that this device features a quick charging USB port. This enables you to charge your phone or another device 4 times faster than the regular normal charge. You can fast charge your cell phone to 30% power in just 10 minutes. That is crazy. You can carry it everywhere and have a large capacity. This fast charger keeps your mobile phone or PC in works and makes your lives a little bit more convenient. What I love about these is that this lovely leather around it gives us this luxurious feel. It's soft, it's smooth, it is very, very unique. I only have these plastic USB portable chargers that are kind of dingy and ugly, and these, they look luxurious and really nice. The features, it includes a small body with a lot of power. You can easily hold it into your palm, and it's lightweight with a powerful 10,000 mAh capacity. It has a dynamic digital display, as you can see right there. It has a high resolution display that shows the remaining power. Voltage boosting from 5 volts to 9 volts and real output current, which exactly feed the needs of your devices. Let me give you a better look at the screen. As you can tell, it gives you the percentage of the battery right now, and it's at 100%. This also offers advanced safety, excellent with anti-explosion and anti-burning and anti-compression. Like I said earlier, this power charger is able to charge your phone fast with 30% power in the first 10 minutes. Great, I love that. And like I said earlier, this has this great luxurious feel. You slip it into your purse, backpack, whatever, and it's handy, lightweight, and small and compact. Alright, so that is all we have today for the MeZone Power Bank. Please check the description section below for more information. Thanks for watching.